President Asif Ali Zardari secretly got married a second time round. Well, there are reports that he has married Tanveer Zamani, a practicing surgeon and a PPP activist in the United States, in Dubai last week. While Zardari has not reacted, his party has condemned it as vicious rumors. While some reports say that Zardari got married according to Muslim Shiyat Bylaws, other reports claim the ceremony is yet to be held, but paperwork and prenuptials have been confirmed. 40-year-old Zamani, a Sindh Medical College graduate, is said to be of Mediterranean descent and lives in New York. The Pakistani paper, The News, said it has got in touch with Zamani, but she neither confirmed or denied the report of her marriage to Zardari. She is also a known Democrat and supported Obama's 2008 election campaign. She actively participated in Obama's healthcare reform bill to make it a law. One report claimed that President Zardari, during a meeting with Obama, requested his help in arranging security for Zamani. Zardari is officially described as a widower since the assassination of Benazir Bhutto in December 2007.